Welcome to a safe workplace. This video describes our work and rules which create a safe and healthy construction site. Everyone should come home with their health intact. All contractors, subcontractors, workers and visitors are required to comply to the laws and rules of safety and conduct for the particular workplace. Those who do not follow the rules may be dismissed from the workplace. At the workplace, it's important that you are wearing the right safety equipment. At Ikano Bostad, it includes an approved helmet, safety shoes with steel cup and nail-proof, reflex on the upper body. Visitors must wear a reflex vest, helmet and safety shoes. When you work, you must use additional safety equipment if so required. The protective safety equipment is provided by the respective employers. Everyone who is at Ikano Bostad's construction sites, both workers, visitors, must register at the local office. Before working, you must take part in an introduction about rules, regulations, and other necessary information. On the notice board, you will find the project's work environment plan, APD plan, and rules of safety and conduct. After the introduction, you need to sign the registration form. All co-workers should carry their ID 06 card visible and remember to check in and out every day. At a construction site, there are many risks, and it's important that you know how to act if an accident should occur. See the notice board for more information. Remember to report all risk observations, incidents and accidents to Ikano Bostad's local site management. Your reports help us to correct inconsistencies and how to reduce the risk of accidents. Before you begin your work, it's important that you take part of a work description with a specific risk analysis for the task. The contractors and subcontractors must submit information to Ikano Bostad's local site management about their risks and participate in a work description if required. If your work requires that you will use any vehicle, machine, or machine-driven lifting device, you should at the time of registration submit a copy of a valid driver's license, professional licenses, and in case of a machine-driven lifting device, the employer's approval must also be presented. Machines and vehicles must also be improved by an inspection. You may only do work tasks that you are qualified for. The construction site is a risky workplace that requires a high level of attention. We all have a responsibility for the work environment, and you have a responsibility to stop your own work if it poses a serious danger for you or someone else. You should always intervene if you see a risky behavior. All evacuation routes must be kept clean and free of materials. Never block extinguishing equipment and escape routes. All lifting requires that you use correct and undamaged equipment in the way that it's intended. It's forbidden to be under hanging load. Respect prohibited areas and signs. Avoid using ladders, and if there's no other possible solution, a risk assessment should be made. All ladders, stands and scaffoldings must be checked and type approved. If there is no permanent safety rail and a personal fall harness must be used, there must be a rescue plan. Working with fall protection equipment shall never be done alone. Hot work may only be performed by employees with valid certificate and permission from the permit manager. Only qualified installers may intervene in electrical installations. Check equipment and cables. Damaged equipment should be discarded immediately. All chemical products used must be reported with safety data sheets to the site management. Hazardous waste must be sorted as prescribed. When ending a task or the workday, Everybody must clean up after themselves and store materials and machines in the designated place. Be sure to sort waste in the right container. Everybody must handle their own garbage and packaging according to the project's rules. Smoking is only allowed outdoors and by the Ekanobostad's designated place. You must not be under the influence of alcohol or drugs at the workplace. A person who is under the influence is a danger to both himself and others. The use of mobile phones must be done in a safe way. You may not use audio equipment with headphones in the workplace. At Ekanobostad's workplaces, we do not accept any form of abusive discrimination or harassment. We work together and create a safe and healthy workplace. Take good care of yourself and your co-workers.